Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, ASHUTOSH, and today guys we'll be making coconut sweets or coconut flakes. Okay, so for this recipe I'll be using one of these coconuts. Okay, and another video I'll be showing us another method of making coconut sweet, but for this particular one we'll be making use of the coconut water. So I also noticed that once the water in the coconut is very little, there is a tendency that it's going to be very sweet, but if it's so large, it's likely not to be sweet. Okay, so once you're done taking out the coconut meat out of the coconut shell, you wash that thoroughly and get it ready for grating. So we'll be using this grater here, and I'll be showing you the particular side we'll be using. Okay, so if you don't want to use this particular method, you can also use a knife to cut this to the desired shape you want, okay, or use any grater of your choice. But it's very nice you use this particular method, or you use this particular kind of grater, and you will get the right shape. So you can also choose to take away the coconut bark. That's if you do not like the bark. Okay, you can choose to scrape that out using a knife, just like I'm doing here in the video. Okay, but if you have no problem with that, why not grate everything together? But if you're doing this for a business purpose, then you can choose to remove the bark, okay, so that it makes your work appear so neat. Here you can see the difference between the plain one without the bark and the one I grated with the bark. Okay, so you can choose the one you want with the bark or without the bark. So when you're grating, you will notice the tiny piece that can't be grated again. Okay, so what you do is just use a knife to cut that into tiny pieces, or you just eat it. So once you're done grating, you get your pan ready or the pot ready. Okay, and we'll be using the coconut water and sugar. If the coconut water you have is not enough, feel free to add a little bit of water. That will be enough for the amount of coconut you have. So here I used 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, and we'll stir that to get the sugar syrup. Okay, and then pour in the grated coconuts. So we're toasting this on medium heat. So we'll be moving from medium to low heat. For now, we are toasting this on medium heat. Okay. So I toasted this for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat, and it really took time. Okay. So, but if you want to do this on a high heat, make sure you not take your hands off the heat at all. Okay. Keep stirring that so that it won't burn. So at this point it's already drying up. The water in the coconut is drying up. Okay, but I'll give this another stir. And so after 15 to 20 minutes our coconut flakes is ready. Okay, you keep checking to see if the water in the coconut is dried up. And about the crunchiness, do not be deceived. Once the coconut flakes is still on fire, it won't be crunchy. Okay, so this have to leave the pan or the heat and place in a tray. But anyway, keep watching. So once this is done, you have to take this off the heat and transfer in a tray. Okay, and allow this to sit for some time to get its crunchiness. But for me, I placed mine under the sun, and it stayed under the sun for 10 minutes. Okay, and that's okay. If you don't have sun in your area, you can choose to place this in the oven using an oven tray. Okay, and you're going to get that crunchiness you want. 10 minutes staying under the sun, our coconut is here and it's so crunchy and very sweet. Okay, even if you don't want the sugar in yours, you can choose to skip the sugar part. Okay, but it's nice you put just a little bit of sugar. It shouldn't be too much. Okay. So after that, I got a sieve and I sieved out the dusty parts, not like dust, but those tiny ones in the coconut flakes, because I do not want to pack it with the big ones or with the good ones. Okay, actually the burnt part, I do not want to add that into the packaged one. Okay, so you can choose to sieve that in and package yours as you want. This coconut flakes was so nice, coconut sweet, coconut flakes. It tasted so nice, guys, and I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Okay, and if you will, please do not forget to come back to tell me how yours was. And thank you for watching and remain blessed. See you in my next one. Bye. But before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, like this video and drop a comment. If you love this video, please do not forget to share to your family and friends, and bye again.